Alright, today we are at the 2022 TRRS show in Indy. So let's see what we can find. Maybe we can find some cool new products and meet some industry people. So Ryan Martin's Season 5 car from No Prep Kings, Prochargers. And these Procharger engines are huge with the Procharger on the front. It's a beautiful carbon fiber new F40.
And actually showed.
It's a nice setup.
Oh, it's over.
All carbon fiber body. It's a real nice truck from Turbo Smarts. Nice titanium setup. It's a really nice intake here. It's got a hot to cold setup. So it's actually got a manifold here that'll cool all the air coming through. Very nice molded manifold. It's a nice setup. We even got to meet Top Fuel driver Clay Milliken. Nice setup for 5-axis machining inside of the head. So they can really reach down in there with that 5-axis and get all the little nooks and crannies. Even the Trick Tools booth out here is ones we worked with for our cold saw for that fine is a brand metal cutting blade. A Roller honing machine. So how much you taking out of there? 3/10. I imagine those boards are gonna be quite large by the end of the show. And farm truck and Asian here. Got the new farm boat.
So same way out?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Y'all keep that in front. You're getting paid for it. Yes, sir. That helps.
Quick picture together?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So I like the farm truck. It's cool.
Thank you very much. Did you see it over there?
The farm truck's definitely a sleeper. It's not what you think it is. Drag sand truck. Almost like a funny car setup. All right, it's a lot of cool stuff here. So we just talked to farm truck. We got to meet him, Asian. A lot of pretty much everything you want here at the PRI show. Drag, dirt, motorcycles. It's all about speed and power, right? Even that huge truck we just seen for sand drags. So let's keep seeing the show. Here's a really nice old Bronco. Got this set up with the long arm setup, coilovers, 5-liter. Not a whole lot of room in there. They got everything jammed in. This clean old Bronco here. Got a cage in it and everything. It's a nice setup. Whoever did that body work did a really good job because you know there's mud in that. This is a nice old Civic, a nice LS in it, LS or LT. There's beautiful old Nova here. Got set up here, twin turbocharged setup. It's a nice setup right there. Those Pro lines, everything were pretty cool setups, even the dragsters. Even the fab work, there's a lot to see and do here. So let's keep looking. It's a little bit of everything here. Bikes, cars, trucks, dragsters. Hello. And over here at the Trend Performance booth, they've got this Billet 2JZ, all billet block. It's a nice setup. And then here at the Champion Lubricants booth, they've got this full cutaway. Everything on this thing is cutaway. They kind of show you what's in there and how it works. And maybe later we'll get a picture of Courtney Hanson with her. It's a pretty cool old Nova. I love that old square body Nova. Probably not much left of the original. Alright, now for all of us Jeep guys here, the RCV is right up your alley. That's a big axle for a 60. And you see here RCV is making ball joints now, and hopefully they'll have one coming out for the JL soon. Not many options. Okay, over here in the Racetech booth, got this really nice Pro line set up. Up here, little Civic. There's a whole lot of engine for a little bit of vehicle. All caged out. I bet it could be fun, but I bet it'd be scary at times. Alright, so over here in the Reaper off-road booth, they've got this Ford Bronco. So they do bumpers and steps. Maybe a slider. It's a nice bumper. Winch mount. And they've got some others. Almost looks like a spare tire delete. I guess that could be for a Bronco or a Jeep. And their bumper line. And Motor Trend shooting a thing out here as well. Oh, this is an interesting old Corvette here. Never seen a top like that on one. Nice old Chevy here. You don't see many of these left anymore. Chick magnet. Brittany was as we all know, Brittany was the NHRA winner this year for Top Fuel. Alright, so that's a 2022 PRA show in Indy. A lot to see and do, a lot of cool stuff here. So hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in this next video for more fabrication.